Hey you guys, SK the Homesteader. I hope everyone is doing well. I am super late with this video, you guys, but I've been meaning to do this video for you guys so you guys wouldn't waste your time growing these two melons over here. All right, you guys, so the melon mango or vine peach, the only thing that has that a mango or a peach may have is the scent. The taste is awful. It's too many seeds. It doesn't get really big. So please do not be fooled by the name melon mango or vine peach. It tastes like nothing. All right, now we're going to get to the jelly melon, the kiwano. All right, you guys, do not waste your time growing this as well. It tastes like nothing and it has too many seeds. And also, you guys, remember I did a harvest video on these are very dangerous. Do not be fooled by the sap that comes out of it, which is red, and it makes you think that it's sweet, and it looks very delicious when it's oozing out. Do not be fooled by that as well. It tastes like nothing. It has too many seeds. The thorns will hurt you, and I don't want to eat anything that has thorns that will cut my fingers. All right, you guys, so you see the juice that's oozing out. This is the juice that I'm talking about. It's very red. It's very jelly looking like. It's very inviting to make you think that it tastes like something, but it tastes like nothing. Are you guys hearing me? These two taste like nothing. I feel if you want to try it, you want to give it a try, give it a try. But for me, I will not be growing these anymore. All right, you guys, so again, the melon mango vine peach and the jelly melon kiwano taste like nothing, and again, it's a waste of time to grow. I'm speaking from experience. I don't know if you guys ever even gave these a try. They are definitely prolific. They will be all over your yard. More than likely your seeds will germinate if you leave these out in your buckets or whatever you try to grow these in. They will multiply all over the place. And actually, I just cleared off my trellis area and I still have some that were growing and they just dropped. I just left them alone. But again, to me this is senseless growing. So I don't know if you guys ever tried it. What experience have you had growing these two melons? But I know me personally, I will not be growing these anymore. So if you want to give it a go, you guys, give it a go. For me, it's a no-go. All right, you guys. So I hope this helped you guys and your questions, because I think I did see a few questions on how they taste. Again, they taste like nothing. And the mellow mango peach, the only DNA that it has of the mango or the peach is the smell, and the smell is definitely very fragrant, and that will fool you as well. When I was growing them in the raised bed on my left side with all my melons, I literally smelled these, but again, they do not taste like anything. And again, don't be fooled by the jelly melon sap that comes out of there that you see that's very red. It will make you think that it's sweet. Do not be fooled by it. But if you want to give it a go, give it a go. For me, it's a no-go. All right, you guys, SEK. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Peace.